Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Be at least level 30 and have Brotherhood of Steel favor. This unlocks dialogue options. Once done, equip stealth and energy weapons so you can avoid heavy firefights while gathering clues. Make sure you carry stim packs and rat away because the area is hazardous. 200 caps covers unexpected vendor or respawn fees. Start the quest by talking to the designated NPC and accept the mission immediately so you trigger the objective waypoint. You now execute the core objective, travel to the marked locations and read terminals for trade secret leads. As you move, crouch and use stealth to slip past patrols. This conserves ammo and health. Once inside each room, search containers and hack terminals. Hacking reduces time and prevents alarms. If you encounter a prototype or data drive, pick it up and stash it before looting. This item is the quest trigger. Keep your inventory light to avoid drop penalties. You finish by returning to the quest giver and delivering the evidence. Choose the discrete dialogue option to secure the secrets and reputation reward. If the quest fails to complete, first verify the key item, data drive/prototype, is in your inventory or stash. Sometimes it clips. Make sure you read all required terminal entries. Missed logs block progression. If items despawn or objectives don't trigger, reload a recent save or fast travel away and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.